Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to another video. My name is Peyman Sepahwan, and in this video I'm gonna explain how to hook, how to call a CG Motion UDF in Fluent software. Before that, it is noticeable to say in Fluent software we have about 50 UDFs, and some of these UDFs compile with internal compiler by Fluent software, and others compile with external compilers. So let's get started. I'd like to call this UDF in Fluent software. This process to call a UDF in Fluent is called hooking. So we want to hook a pitching UDF in Fluent. I wrote this UDF in advance. Right click on this icon and click on edit. As you see in this text file, this is a UDF, CG Motion UDF, and I think the most important thing about this UDF is this number in this UDF is 3, and this is a number that we can show, and we should write this number here. This is the ID of the zoom that we want to give this zoom an oscillating motion in our project. In this project, the oscillating zoom is an airfoil, and we want to give an oscillating motion to this airfoil. So to show why I wrote 3 in this part, click on Fluent software and click on boundary condition and click on wall, because I decided to give a motion, oscillating motion to my wall, and the ID of this wall in Fluent is 3, so we should write here in this section we should write 3. Okay, click on save and close this one. Go to Fluent software, go to this section. This is user defined section. Click on function. In function we have 3 options, and two of these options interpreted and compiled are 2 options to compile an UDF in Fluent software. For CG Motion UDFs we use compile. Compile is an external compiler to compile our UDF. So click on this icon and click on add, and select the UDF pitching. Click on OK, click to this icon and click on build. When you click on build, as you see in this console, you can say the Fluent software built a library which its name is lib UDF, and you can see this library in the folder that you build for this project, and click on load. When you click on load, your UDF call by Fluent software, and you can use your UDF to give an oscillating motion to your airfoil. Go to dynamic mesh. As you see in this section, this is wall, and you can choose the UDF. This is our UDF. Click on UDF. This is the name of UDF, and when you click on create, you can see our CG Motion UDF hook, and you can use it in your project. I hope this video was useful for you. I'm looking forward to seeing your feedbacks on my post. Please comment on my post and follow me to watch more educational videos. Have a good time. Goodbye.